Today's initiative is really, I think, just a fantastic example of what a public-private partnership is. And what we're doing today is providing a warm winter coat and brand new athletic shoes to more than 2,000 children who are in need here in Fairfax County. We had a number of school buses come in with their teachers and the staff come and bring them over to get properly fitted for a coat. And then after receiving a coat, they came over to the shoe department where they were sized. Each child was sized individually, so we were sure that they received a proper fitting pair of shoes. These are kids and families that live here in Fairfax County that have real needs, and it is just wonderful to be able to take the resources that we have and match them with the needs of these families. So if that doesn't put a smile on your face, I don't know what will.